Everybody, it is time for some technical analysis here at fxlivedaytrading.com. Okay, so I'm just going to go over some thoughts, my opinion of course, on stocks, overall, market health, Forex in general, and let's get straight to it. I am using MT4, a CFD account, because it's a very easy way to just go over the stocks, just to go over in general some thoughts on Forex, so I can kind of toss everything together here and discuss some of these things that I'm going to discuss. So why don't we talk first about the Australian dollar. So the Australian dollar experienced some selling today. The stock market sold, as you know. We were down on the S&P over 1%, and we did see some volume selling come in here as the first trading day of January. So what does this tell us? Is the world now, going to experience a big sell-off in stocks? I mean, I wouldn't think too fast on that one. I wouldn't think too slow on that one. I would just follow our system, follow our charts, and see what the market tells us. Now, one thing the market is telling me right now is that the 4-hour chart is telling us that we may see some further downside. Okay, I didn't see such a big pop here in Asian session, and we're holding on to our moving averages here. And at this point, I would watch. I'm not having any plans of going long here, that's for sure. Now, what I think is going to happen this week, I think that we are going to see a correction at least to this trend line. Now, I don't know what happens at that point if we go below, but I would say, in my opinion, that there's a very, very good chance that we're going to see 76.10, 76 even, maybe 76.20. I don't know. We'll see, but I believe that this is going to come down. Of course, that would be a risk-off play. That would bring, in general, as stocks sell, oil is most likely going to sell. This over here is the Canadian dollar. And what did we have here today? I mean, we had a beautiful move off of that 38 Fibonacci level. We spoke about this over and over again, how very important that fib is and how it respected almost to the pip this beautiful 38 fib retracement and came right off of that. Just massively beautiful move above that. And we're holding right now. We are holding. So let's see if this is at least a temporary change in direction on the dollar Canadian, and most of these other pairs are following. Now, one of the Forex pairs which I'm cautious about is the euro dollar. It's been strong. I'm just a little cautious to think that all of a sudden it's going to start falling. We'll watch that because it's been pretty much dependent on what has been going on with the pound. If the pound sells a lot, euro is affected, at least it has been recently. So, that's something that I'm just staying away from, at least for now, until we get some kind of direction in the euro dollar. Now let's jump to the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq 100 here we're looking at. We have 1271.9. We dip down here, 1253. We have that as our support now. And where do we go from here? That's a good question. All right. Now, as far as our support, our major support level, we didn't quite get down to that 1241.5 today. So let's see how the market follows through tomorrow. Will it be turnaround Tuesday, or are we going to have a continuation Tuesday? We're going to find out. I'll be doing more videos this week as the volume starts to pick up. Just very exciting. If today is any indication of how January is going to be, this is going to be spectacular because we did have a nice volume day today. So I hope this helped to give you some ideas. I do want to point out The divergence on the daily chart could very well tell the story as a risk-on week this week. Don't know, we'll see. I'll go over that tomorrow. And everyone have a wonderful trading day tomorrow.